Right now, what would you say to someone who is tuning in and there's okay, so they're saving, they're listening, they're like, okay, um, what would be the next couple of steps they should take?
Yeah. Sorry, is this for someone that's still at home or someone that's renting?
Let's say at home. Say you have the luxury, you're fortunate enough,
Yeah.
you're living at home, or
Nice.
yeah, you're staying, you're not paying rent, and you have that
Yeah,
ability to save
for
a
sure.
huge chunk of your paycheck.
So what I tell people is, again, start pre-positioning. I'm going to give you the number of what I think you'll be able to afford when you get to that goal of that down payment. And
Hmm.
then we're going to do what I like to call a phantom mortgage. So this is how much your mortgage is going to cost every month. I want you to start saving that aside. So get used to getting your paycheck and putting that first 1,500 to 2,000 directly into this phantom mortgage, so that you're used to it, right? Eventually, that's going to grow into your down payment. But now, when you move into that mortgage, you're kind of used to paying that. So get used to paying that amount. And I've done that with a few people. I find it works. And a lot of times, depending on where you are, especially if you're in the downtown core, I tell people this all the time. The rent that you're paying sometimes could be more expensive than the mortgage, right? I mean, there's insurance and
Facts.
property tax, stuff like that. But when you do the math, the rent is typically higher than you would do a mortgage. So it makes sense to kind of just take your time, save a little bit, get your foot in the door, or join with someone and do it together, right?
Okay.